Jay, stop, slow down. Don't scare him. Walk nice. Don't get too close though, bub, but just... Yeah? Stop, Jay. Slow down. Don't touch the squirrel. Stop, Jay. No, don't. No, stand up, Jay. What was that? What was that? Look at it. What are you doing? A squirrel? Yeah, he's really close, huh? Say hi, Mr. Squirrel. Yeah. Hey. Hi. All right.